Okay, so you have your campaign done, you've got your domain name tied to it, you've started promoting it, you've got some leads coming into it. Now it's time to start tracking the real progress of that. This way you can dial in your campaign, make it more effective, see where the people are coming from and how effective it is. I'm going to jump inside here and just grab one of these that has, this is one I recently ran, Satellite Direct. There's 10 leads in it. Let's go ahead and from the drop down, there's an area called Campaign Analytics. Now, if you've marketed online before, you know all about Google Analytics. And Google Analytics is a third-party analytics provider that you have to cut and paste source code and configure it in your system, and it can become a big pain in the butt if you don't know what you're doing. Or you can just default and use ours. Now, our statistics are very similar to Google Analytics in that they provide you some incredible data on your campaign. But in the event that you want to use Google Analytics, you'll want to watch the video in our advanced section that tells you how to set that up, and you can do that as well. So you could use their analytics or our analytics. From a snapshot view, though, the analytics has your dashboard, your visitors, your actions, your refers, and your goals. Now, it's very similar to Google Analytics in that you can get a quick snapshot of how well your campaign's going, see your visitors, where they come from, what type of the time of the day they're doing it, if they've engaged, any actions they may have done on the page, if they were referred in from another site, and then if you have sales funnels that you're tracking, that's where your goals come in. So, looking at some of this, some of these statistics, this is one of my favorite, list of external websites. This actually tells me where my traffic is coming from. There's a little expand button here, and if I click that, it actually opens this graph up large, and I can see exactly how many visitors I've had from each one of these pages. And you can see that I have apps.facebook, movies.netflix, Facebook. These are pages that they went to and then saw my ad and then jumped over to it. And when it comes to advertising and how I got my message out there, that's going to be in our marketing videos. We have some sections. This was actually a CPV campaign, so you'll want to watch a video on CPV. This shows my visitors, how many actions were taken, how many actions per visit, average time on the site, and then my bounce rates. So you can see all of those, pretty cool. And then if you click on any of these images here, down at the bottom, let me see if I can scroll up and show you this. You can actually change out the graphs. You can use like pie charts, bar charts, and so forth, and just see some really good stuff. You can export it. You can actually see it as tabulated data. So just some real fun stuff. You can play around with those reports and see. But the list of external sites is one of my favorite graphs. It also shows you a list of keywords that were used to find your site if they found it through a search engine. It then shows you what search engines performed and how many visitors came in from them. Google page ranks, how many visits you've had in the last 24 hours, shows you the state where they came in. It shows you a map as well. This map will show you where in the world your traffic's coming from. So this is the analytics area.